Boys and girls, good evening. Do you know where I am? I am in the darkness of the room. Is that scary to you? Is that scary to you? Some of us are a little scared of the dark. When the sun goes to bed, so must we, but we like to have a little bit of a nightlight in the corner of the room, right? Because sometimes we hear noises and our imaginations go crazy. Tonight's story, we are in a special spot. I'll give you some lights. We're at a weird door. What is inside this door? A big old machine of pipes. This is called a boiler or furnace if it's in your house. And in the furnace, sometimes when it turns on, it makes weird noises. And we freak ourselves out and we think someone's in the house or we think there's a monster, but boys and girls, usually it's just a creak in the house or a boiler or furnace. Sure, Mom's got the washer and dryer going. Tonight's story is called What's That Noise? What's That Noise is the title of our book, and the author who wrote the words is William Carmen. Now, boys and girls, there are some pictures in here, and this boy's imagination that's kind of looks creepy and scary, but don't let it trick you, okay? It's just his imagination. You're going to see he made it all up in his head, and it's really something else. And when we get to the end, you're going to laugh because the thing that's making the sound is hilarious. Are you ready? I don't want you to be scared. That's why I'm telling you that part. He's peeking behind the door. He's looking for a noise. What's that noise? The noise. It's the noise words in the dark of the night. What's that noise? Are the neighbors mowing the lawn? So the first time he didn't think it was like a monster or anything. He's like, are the neighbors mowing the lawn? And so this is what his imagination looks like. He's imagining the neighbor, the big lawnmower out in the yard. See those weird noise words again? He's looking out his window. The lawnmower, I should show you. The lawnmower is just sitting there. No one's pushing it. So he knows it's not the lawnmower. What's that noise? I wonder if an unidentified flying object is landing in my backyard. A UFO. Something we don't recognize. Unidentified flying object. And watch his imagination on this one. He's imagining this big, huge spaceship landing in his backyard. But he looks out his window and nothing's there, but he still hears the noise. What's that noise? Could there be a monster in my closet? He's going to open the closet door. Don't be creeped out. This is his imagination. It's got like 7 eyes and crazy teeth and a big nose. But that's just his imagination. He looked in his closet. Nothing there. Just some hangers and clothes. Do you do this sometimes? You make your mom and dad come check the closet. What's that noise? There's those noise words again. It better not be an octopus in the bathtub. What a weird imagination. An octopus in the bathtub. Look at all those long legs he's imagining in his bathtub. Do you remember how many legs an octopus has? 8. Guess what he saw? This is my favorite part. See how his shower curtain has octopus on it? And the shadow of the octopus is on his wall. But there's no octopus making a noise in the bathtub. So he still hears that noise. I hear it in the hallway. It sounds like a bear is in Mom and Dad's bedroom. So he goes and opens his door. I think he's ready to go down the hallway. He's going to check on his mom and dad. Don't let this scare you. It's his imagination. He's imagining a bear in his mom and dad's bedroom, hovering over them. He just knows it's a crazy noise. I've got to warn them about that bear. So he goes to their bedroom. He's feeling protective. He's at the end of Mom and Dad's bed. Wait until you see what it is. Mom and Dads, do you know what this sound is that he's hearing? What was the noise? His dad was snoring, and as soon as he held his nose, he woke up. And guess what stopped the noise? The end. He ended up sleeping with his mom and dad. But you know what, boys and girls? Not every noise we hear is actually something scary. We have very creative minds. But I'm telling you right now, if you ever are scared, I got a song for you. Maybe some of you know this song because it's from the VeggieTales, and I used to sing it. Sometimes when I would walk my friend home to her house, even when I was like 10 and 12, my sister and I, on our way back, we would sing this song, and we'd run in the dark, and we'd sing, God is bigger than the boogeyman. He's bigger than Godzilla or the monsters on TV. Oh, God is bigger than the boogeyman, and he's watching out for you and me. He is our ever-present help in trouble. When you are worried or scared, he's there. And so sometimes you just need a little prayer. Say, Lord, I'm in my house where it's safe. Please help me find rest and enter your rest. The sun has gone to bed, and so must I. I've worked and played all day, and now I need to rest, right? But sometimes, like maybe there has been something scary in your room. Go talk to Mom and Dad about it. Secrets aren't good. Secrets aren't good. Surprises are fun, like a surprise birthday party, but we never keep secrets from Mom and Dad if there's something in our bedroom that doesn't belong in our bedroom, or if someone's in our bedroom that doesn't belong in our bedroom, right? No secrets allowed. Just surprises, like birthday surprises. So if you want, you can sing that song to yourself. It says, God is bigger than the boogeyman. He's bigger than Godzilla or the monsters on TV. Oh, God is bigger than the boogeyman, and he's watching out for you and me. Boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed this book. It was a different kind of book. I hope you didn't let it scare you. It was just the boy's imagination. I hope you don't let your furnace or your boiler scare you. It makes weird noises next to my son's bed. And he's been like, what was that? May the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord make his face to shine upon you and give you peace. I love you. Good night.